Now let's jump to the video. Let's start with MAC Prep and Prime in Lavender. Just spray it on your face. And now, let's combine the Maybelline Liquid Foundation 120 and 220 shade. And this is an angled flat brush. And spread the liquid foundation in your face. Using a sponge, blend the liquid foundation. The concealer that I'm using is from Maybelline Fit Me. This is Ivory. I'm doing spot concealing. And using the same angled brush, blend the concealer to your face. If you have a very small blending sponge, you can also do this under your eye. Using the same brush, you are going to prime your eyelid. You can use your favorite concealer or your favorite eyeshadow primer. This is an angled shading brush, perfect for nose contouring. Grab your favorite bronzer or your cream contour and start contouring your nose. This is an angled contour brush for the face. This is perfect for bronzing and contouring your face to bring back the color of your skin. Using an orange-based blush, I grab this dome face brush and then add the blush to your face. And this is my first palette, Davaoeña. As you can see, this is a matte silk print. It's an art within your palette. And this is a 30 pressed pigment eyeshadow. 13 matte shades and 17 shimmer shades. Perfect for bridal, aesthetic, creative, and glam looks. For today's makeup tutorial, I'll be using Mintal, Chimol, Samal, and Maa. But of course, along the way, I might be adding 2 more colors, just for highlight. This is a tapered blending brush. Let's use this to grab the pigment Chimol. And let's outline our imaginary eyelid. As you can see, what I'm doing is placing it on top of my normal eyelid. So using a windshield wiper motion, blend the pigment upwards. And we are going to enhance the color brown by using this yellow matte shade named Ecolan. This is a perfect color to complement brown shade. So what we are going to do is blend it together with the Chimol pigment. This is a short shader brush. This is perfect for picking up glitter or shimmer pigments. This is the shade Maa, and I am blending it on my eyelid. This is an angled flat brush. I'll be using this for my waterline. Toril is a very dark brown matte shade, and I'll be using it on my bottom lash line, but mostly on the outer corner. I'll be using this shader brush. This is a small and precise one. I'll grab Samal. As you can see, Samal is a shimmer silver and blue, and I'll be using it to highlight my waterline and the inner corner of my eyes. Using a clean blending brush, just blend everything so that there will be no harsh lines. I usually outline with brown pencil eyeliner before I add the black liquid eyeliner, so that it will be precise and there will be no erasures. I got this liquid eyeshadow topper from Etude House, and I'll be adding it in the middle of my eyelid and then spread with my finger to add more shimmer. And here's a tip for a long-lasting makeup. Get your pressed powder, and instead of using a brush, get a sponge and use it all over your face. Tight lining your upper waterline helps enhance your eyes and create a fuller, wide-eyed look. Using my favorite Maybelline Hyper Curl, I am going to bind my false eyelashes and my real lashes. I've already added falsies, but on the outer half of my lash line only. And for the lower lash line, make sure that it will be 2 coats but not too clumpy. So I've changed my outfit, and that's pretty much my eye. So I'm doing now is adding translucent powder to make sure that everything is set. And this is a glow stick from Sunny's. It says "Hey Girl," so I'll be using it to highlight. On my lips, I'll be using Nichido Lip Liner and NYX Lingerie Truffle. I have a sample liquid velvet lipstick from my manufacturer. It is reddish brown. I'll be adding it in the inner part of my lips. So this product is still under development, but this is one of my favorite shades. And we are done. So pretty much this is the final look. Let's talk about my new and first ever eyeshadow palette. This is called Davaoeña. It's 30 pressed pigments for only 969 pesos, available in shop. Just search for Locayoch or Davaoeña and you will see this product. This is the eyeshadows that I've used today. First is Mental. As you can see, this is a skin tone muted beige. Next will be light brown, named Gmol, perfect for transition shade. Next is Samal, a shimmer shade, like the white sand in Samal Island. And last, Maa. It's a pink mauve shimmer shade. And I also added a complementary colors, just like Ecolan, a yellow, to enhance Gmol or any brown shades. And for the outer corner is the Toril. It's a matte brownish red shade. thank you so much everyone for watching. Until next time, bye bye.